I am visiting the beautiful Esperanza in Los Cabos, and this is my villa number 23. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll give you a very quick tour. I love all the details. Oh, so pretty. They've thought of everything. We have binoculars here for whale watching. And I did get to see some whales the other day. And this is a fantastic location because you can hear way down there, right there, is the adult pool. That's one of 2 adult pools. And this gorgeous outdoor living area here. A nice welcome of guacamole and chips, and I can make my own, there's my name, I can make my own margarita, which I will be having in just a moment. And then instead of a normal mini bar, we have this beautiful cabinet filled with liquor and coffee and snacks. A stunning bathroom. Again, it's not overly modern, just really pretty. And I know tonight the candles will be lit and this will be gorgeous. That's one of the features here at Esperanza, the nightly turn down service. The candles will be lit when I come back from dinner. So, what a gorgeous, gorgeous villa.